What is going on, bulls and bears? This is Supra Crypto, and we're going to do a quick PA on Ethereum. So, some things that I'm going to note: total crypto market cap still is chopping around. We're still in this downtrend, and I think everybody's starting to really recognize that it's pretty much at play. We have the potential to push up, but then we're probably just gonna probably going to just mimic this pattern on the way down. At least that's kind of what I see. BTC is mirroring that. Ethereum is mirroring that as well. As I continue to chart the other cryptos, we'll see if that trend is consistent. I don't think all the altcoins are performing in that manner. In any case, let's go ahead and talk about some short-term bullish targets and bearish targets. So if you're bullish, your short-term target to pay attention to, as long as we maintain and hold 1564, next up would be there's a little micro fib here, um, which is at 1586. I know it's not really that far, but it's being respected. But the true support is at 1600. I think that's more of a psychological support because it's an even number. From there, your next target's going to be 1612. That's a microfib that's being respected, but the true target would be at 1654. So that those would be essentially your short-term targets to pay attention to. Um, there's another support at 1678. These are pretty much everything on the way up. I prefer to call three supports and then any microfibs that are being respected. I just pay attention to, but I don't really, I don't really put too much weight on it versus the support and the resistances that I have marked out here on the side. So those are your bearish targets. Short term, I'm sorry, those are your bullish targets. Let's talk about the bearish targets. Uh, some short term targets that I'm looking at. I'm looking at this zone here between 1544 and 1538. This is definitely getting respected. Take a look here. You can really see it. And I've drawn these charts. They've been here for a while. Next stop would be 1520. I'm going to ignore this micro fib and then move down to 1475 and then 1418. Previously, I had RSI being oversold on the day around 1352 and 1326. I still think that's a valid target. So if you want to pause the video and see all the targets on the side, feel free to do so. But that's really all I got for Ethereum. Be sure to trade safe, trade smart. Peace.